Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare canned pink salmon. First, open your can and drain all the liquid. This step is crucial for achieving the best texture and flavor in your dish. You can use a fork to gently press out any excess water, ensuring the salmon is as dry as possible before mixing it with other ingredients. This simple action makes a big difference. Canned pink salmon is incredibly versatile for quick meals. For a classic salmon salad, simply mix the flaked salmon with a few tablespoons of mayonnaise, some diced celery, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also add it to your morning scrambled eggs for an extra boost of protein, or toss it with cooked pasta, fresh lemon juice, and your favorite herbs for a light and flavorful dinner. To elevate the flavor of your canned salmon, consider adding fresh herbs like dill, chives, or parsley. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can brighten the taste significantly, giving it a zesty kick. For a delicious spread, combine the flaked salmon with softened cream cheese, a teaspoon of capers, and a dash of black pepper. This makes a fantastic topping for crackers or toast. Don't limit yourself to just salads. You can form the flaked salmon into patties, perhaps with some breadcrumbs and an egg, then pan-fry them until golden brown for delicious salmon cakes. It also makes an excellent, quick filling for savory tarts or quesadillas, offering a healthy and flavorful option. And for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy experimenting with this pantry staple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.